Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, I have made another dumb financial mistake, and I bought the body kit for the Miata. So we have these side skirts, which, well, I mean, they look good. We have the generic Miata front splitter, and the rear splitter. I kind of bought it because I've always wanted the front one, and this kit was for the price that the front one usually is, so like 200 euros or something. You got everything plus free shipping. So it was a good deal, and you give me money, I'm gonna spend it on my car. Since the last time you saw I've taken the front bumper off. Also, the fenders were off, but I put those back. They were off because while I was working on the car, I discovered that these quarter panels were quite rusted, and so I figured I'm just gonna put some Bond on them, be done with it. Good. When I started looking into them a bit more, I kind of discovered they were rotten. So I took them off, sent them off, and they got rewelded, and now they're good. Since the front bumper is over here, the front splitter is gonna be quite easy to mount, I believe. Have to deal with it on the car, and we can do it off the car. But yeah, so let's get to work, I guess. Great, where's one of the fucking nuts? Great, just... Alright, front bumper done, let's go get... Right. Let's go put it on the car. Alright, actually, I don't think I'm gonna film me putting it on, because there's not much room, you can't see any. So I'm just gonna put that on, and then we'll move on to the rear skirt or the side skirts. We'll see. Alright, so the front bumper is... the car is looking like a car again. And so next, I think we're gonna do side skirts first, and then the rear skirt. So, let me set up the camera, let's get to work. Come on! I think we'll leave it like this. We have the side skirts, I can't even see them. Well, the side skirts are on. So I'm gonna do the other side. And I'm getting off camera because it's shit to film that, and it's the same thing. And then we'll do the rear one. Alright, side skirts are on both sides. As maybe you can see, they are on. So, next is the rear one. Let's get to that. So, interestingly enough, all of the places where I needed to drill were already marked, and I don't know if that was made intentionally by Mazda or what. Who said underglow isn't useful? I'd say that's on, wouldn't you? Also just... without an exhaust, that looks fucking retarded. Well, since we have now installed that, I guess that's it for this video. So, see you in the next one.